Hello guys, this is Herman again, another Just My Review. And as you guys remember, a few days ago I told you guys that I'm gonna do something with my old gaming computer, supposed to upgrade the GPU and do something else in order to make it work better. Well, I gotta change the plans, and let's go and watch this right now, what I'm gonna do with that old computer and what is coming in. Alright guys, well, finally, behind all these boxes and cases, I got my build up done. And just to go real quick, let me show you exactly what is inside of this. And to start, let me show you this Noctua Redux 120 millimeters. I got 4 of these fans. I got also the main CPU fan with a radiator in the middle, and I got an upgrade added fan for this one too. Also right here at the bottom we got the Thor 850 watts platinum. This is for the power. For the graphics card I got the GeForce RTX 3060 Ti, and well, you guys, if you guys check at the beginning, the reason why I got this card is because now prices are crazy and this is good for my needs. Also, I got the MAG Z690 Tomahawk. Remember, it's a lot of different versions of the Z690. No, not all of them are the same, and I choose this one because it is amazing. And this side, on the left side, we got the basically the Enthoo Pro from Pantex. I stuff Pantex, and this is the case. And going right here, well, I got a missing box right here, but I got these two, same brand Samsung, all of them. This is for 500 millimeters, and this is the PCIe 4.0 NVMe. I got in 500 gigabytes, and I got in 2 terabytes. Right here is where I installed the OS. That's why I got a 500 gigabytes. It's good enough for that. And also, I got another one that is going to the PCIe 3.0 in 2 terabytes. We got 4 total. 3 of those are 4.0 and 1 is 3.0. Now in here we got 3 different cases of extra stuff that I need, extra wires from the same brand Noctua. And you know, this is another cables that I'm gonna put in the links down below. Well, this one's not cable. This is basically the rubber parts that goes in the fans, in order to put it right in the corners before you screw it up, in order to prevent any vibration. As you guys can see, it says anti-vibration pads. Right here I got another set of cables. Right here I got the memory. I got these memories from Kingston, the Fury memories, 3200 megahertz, and basically that's what I have in here. And you know, you guys can go for more, but that's the recommendation, and I prefer to go following the recommendations. I got 128 total. That is amazingly crazy. And well, right there I got the monitor, the Asus TUF gaming curved monitor, 32 inches, plus another stuff I got. You guys can see right there a little bit. That's a new desk I got, and I did an upgrade for my desk. And well, this desk I got it in Sears. It was in sale. I'm gonna post the links down below too, if you guys want to have the same desk I got. And well, another things you will see in a few minutes. I got also a few stuff to, you know, to hide wires and everything. It's not easy, but in order to make it professional, it looks really nice. Well, you gotta do that. Okay, now let's go and take a look how everything looks right now. And also, I cannot forget about this guy, the Intel Core i7, specifically the i7-12700K. and that's the one we got in this guy. All right guys, and to finish, I'm gonna install these 4 Halo frames for defense of my new build up. I got this in 144 millimeters and I got 120 millimeters. And well, let's go and finish this right now. You guys will see the difference with these guys when everything is installed, and let's go and finish this now. Okay guys, and let me show you this area right here. This is the amazing box I told you guys, the case, and as you guys can see, you guys can remove this this basically filter in order to, you know, your computer inside don't get dirty, or actually to minimize all the stuff that can go in through this filter right here. This one I already removed it. You guys can see without the filter, and this is with the filter. And as you guys can see, the amazing of these bags, the wire and everything is loaded with all the cables we need right here. Everything in here, got screws and everything really organized. This is the filter I just removed, and this is the screws, and look at this, you got for everything right here. Is complete everything in this case right here from Pantech. Okay, let's go and keep doing the setup.